I'm on top of the hotel. It is ever so bright today. Her voice is a lot better, alhamdulillah. It's nearly, it's saying on my watch, 27 degrees. Look at that. The mountains surrounding the city centre. Let me get a bit closer. This is where they do the laundry and ironing. My shirts have to be ironed the third time. First time it still had the washing creases. Second time it had iron creases. And now the third time they've done it better. Not 100%, but it's better. So this is Hargeisa from the city centre. There's the Taiwanese consulate down there. They recognize this country, so China's not going to come and build and construct roads here. So, wow.